In this video, I'll show you how you can fix out of video memory trying to allocate a texture in Valorant. Now first what you want to do is come down here and search for Advanced System Settings. So open up this View Advanced System Settings. From in here, this System Properties should open up. And in here, what you want to do is head over to Advanced. Now from in Advanced, you want to choose the Performance. Click on Settings right here. And in here, you want to head over to Advanced once again. Click on Change down here. Up here, make sure you untick Custom Size. And from in here, you want to see the currently allocated one. And you want to type the exact same number in both of these. Simply press Set and OK. And after that, it should be fixed. Now, there's not really much more to it. This is the fix for it right now. So I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.